HWM 6 kg fully automatic top-load washing machine. Type and design. This top-loading, fully automatic washer has an anti-rust plastic body so you can place the appliance in the bathroom, worry-free. Its plastic cabinet ensures enhanced durability so you spend less on its maintenance. It features a multi-segment LED display that keeps you updated with the wash cycle time and various washing stages. Fuzzy logic. With fuzzy logic in place, this appliance senses the wash environment and adjusts the settings accordingly for the best wash results. Soak option. Foam detection. With this HWM washing machine, you don't have to worry about skin allergies and detergent stains on your clothes. It has a built-in sensor that analyzes the foam density in the water and adjusts the time of rinsing so you get detergent-free clothes every time. Time display. Power. The HWM fully automatic washing machine consumes 325 watts of power. For more details please visit the description. Click the subscribe and bell icon. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.